Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. Many times, a recipe can turn into another one. And this is what happened with my French onion soup gratiné. I got the idea of turning this classic into a dish. And here's my French onion Dijon pork chops. With perfectly cooked chops spread with mustard, topped with melted Yarlsberg cheese, and then garnished with sumptuous caramelized onions, this is an amazing recipe to make this winter. So let's get cooking. After patting the pork chops dry with paper towels, we'll generously season one side for now with ground sea salt, freshly ground mixed peppercorns, and some garlic powder. Then we'll set aside while we look after the onions. In a large nonstick skillet over medium heat, we'll add butter and olive oil. When it's melted and starts sizzling, we'll add our sliced onions and season with ground sea salt. We'll add pressed garlic and saute everything for 2 minutes, making sure the onions are well coated with the fat. I almost forgot. We'll also season with freshly ground mixed peppercorns, reducing the heat to medium-low and cover. We'll cook for 8 minutes, but every couple minutes, we'll give a good stir. When time is up, we'll remove the lid and continue cooking for 10 minutes, stirring often. I'm telling you, it takes a while to caramelize the onions, but when they're done, they'll become soft, almost like a jammy texture, and sweet. This is when patience will deliciously reward you. So pour yourself a glass of wine and play your favorite music. After the 10 minutes is over, we'll pour in some Marsala wine and continue cooking until the wine has almost evaporated, which should take a good 10 to 12 minutes. And of course, stirring often. Finally, when there's barely any liquid in the skillet, we'll scoop the onions up into a bowl using a slaughter spoon and set aside until needed. Next, in the same skillet, we'll add butter and olive oil. Then increase the heat to medium-high. When it's hot, we'll place our chops, seasoned side down, and season the top with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We'll cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on that side or until they're nicely brown. Flip them and cook the other side for just 2.5 to 3 minutes. We'll transfer the chops to a plate and set aside. I know they need more time to be fully cooked, but don't worry, they're going back in. We'll now reduce the heat to medium and return the onions, including any accumulated juices. We'll sprinkle on a little bit of flour, stir well before adding more. This will help to thicken the sauce. By the way, that's why I'm using a non-stick skillet to make this recipe, because this stage is pretty gummy. And if you're using a regular skillet, the bottom will get super sticky and quite messy. Next, we'll pour in chicken broth and stir very well until the sauce starts to thicken. You'll see the mixture will turn into a creamy kind of texture, and that's exactly what we want. To this, we'll add herbe de Provence, and to make this amazing French spice blend from scratch, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. After mixing it into the sauce, we'll return the pork chops, including any accumulated juices. This is flavor we won't leave behind. We'll now spoon Dijon mustard on top of the meat, enough so it covers the entire surface when we spread it out with the back of the spoon. We just need a thin layer of it. Before evenly sprinkling on the cheese, and this as well, enough to cover the tops of the chops. We'll place the lid on and cook until the cheese is melted and the internal temperature of the pork chops reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, about 3 to 5 minutes. We'll place a chop on mashed potatoes and top with the sauce and caramelized onions. And my friends, these are our French onion Dijon pork chops. So delectable and tasty, you'll love this twist on the classic French soup. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!